Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saad Ansari, advocate, core member, Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. Today we are here in Rawalakot, near Rawalakot, and everybody knows that Jammu Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee protesting for its rights, for its 38 points charter of demand. But what we have seen in these 2 days, after almost 50 days of negotiation, mediation, we will try our best to resolve that issue. But on the other side, the government side, the establishment, the forces, even though the people who mediate, we are very appreciative for them. But the current government and the current establishment doesn't want any talk. They just talk with the bullets, with the brutality, and killing the innocent youth of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Not in the Rake, not in only Rawalakot, but across the AJK, in Mirpur, in Rawalakot, in Baloch, in Muzaffarabad. Everywhere the internet has been shut down again, and they propagate that they are conducting the elections. But what we have seen in these elections, the pro-Pakistani parties came here when they came here, they are allowed to campaign for the election. But on the other side, the people of Jammu and Kashmir, around 80%, have just rejected this political process, because this is not a political process. The process should be peaceful. The process should be deliberately allowed everybody. On the other side, the Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee declared as terrorist, where the 90% people are with Jammu and Kashmir Joint Awami Action Committee. So I would like to address everybody, every way of life, every walk of life, even our international community, our overseas diaspora, Amnesty International, United Nations, Human Rights Associations. We just say that we are here to protest for our political and legitimate rights. We are not against any Pakistani state. We are not against any institution. We are not against any government. Our demand is with our AJK government. But what we have seen that the AJK government shows that the puppet government, some draconian laws has been imposed in AJK, like 144, like when we talk as politically, the bar association were snatched, the rights were snatched. Every right has been snatched in AJK. So as core member from my nation, I would like to address the international community, the United Nations, the Amnesty International, and I would also thank to the all international media, because this media has been given fake news, propaganda news, and the government officials as propaganda using these media as their propaganda tools. I would like to address every international citizen, every Pakistani citizen to came here to see with their own eyes, with their own cameras, and look at people. Look them at their faces. They are poor people. They demand only just to give the right of health. Their demand is to give a right of education. Our demand is to build our road infrastructures. Our demand is to build our nation, because we have resources. We demand the claim on our resources, our dams, our water resources, our forest, our mountains, our every thing which has been produced in AJK, because it's Article 52 of Act 74, the Constitution of Pakistan, given the right of just we called in Urdu Hakke Malkiyat and Hakke Hukmarani. So we are fighting peacefully, and I would like to address again against this brutality. We condemn this brutality and want to justify our case. We justified our case. The 12 constituencies of so-called 12 constituencies in Pakistan, which were used to rigged election, which were used to doesn't want to strengthen the AJK government. We want that the AJK government has been strengthened. They decided their on their own. So again, I would like to address everybody to came here in Mirpur. I also condemn the brutality has been done in Mirpur. The amount of people, the count of people which were martyred here was above 150, and above 500 people were seriously injured. They were not given the medical facilities. They are not even given. We are shortage of food. The supplies line has been disturbed. The internet has been shut down. The electricity even 2 days ago has been shut down. The blackout is in AJK. So again, I would like to address the whole community of international community, United Nations, who believe in peace, who believe in justice, and who believe in peaceful struggle, came here to join us and to make our voice. Thank you very much.